Hello everybody. So I wanted to make a video for this assignment to help you orient yourself a little bit to what you'll be doing and how you'll go about this assignment. So you'll see an attached document, which is right here, and what I want you to do is read through it, but we're going to be, since many of you are going to be educators, I wanted you to think about this from what you might be doing in the future. So let's pretend that you're a high school or college teacher where you assigned a writing assignment. So on the Tasmanian tiger, okay, it's this dog-like thing. It's actually a marsupial, but it's found in Australia and Tasmania. Well, it was found, but now it's extinct. So imagine that you lectured about this in your class, and then you had the students do a writing assignment on it, okay? Now, most colleges, many high schools also, write or have plagiarism detection software. Well, they'll take the students' work and put them into this detection software, and you oftentimes get a score that, that says 80, in this case, it'll be 87% of what was written was found somewhere else, okay? So I made up this assignment and basically just copied and pasted something obviously that is not okay to do. I copied and pasted from the internet, okay? And so let's say that you work at a school that has a zero tolerance policy on academic misconduct, where you have to give the student a 0 on this assignment, okay? So here you'll find the assignment, and this is basically the essay prompt that you would have given your student. So in class we discussed the ecology of several rare extinct animals of Australia. One of the most charismatic mammals that went extinct was the thylacine, or Tasmanian tiger. So this animal superficially resembles a dog or wolf, but is actually a marsupial. In this short essay, write a paragraph detailing what led to the extinction of the Tasmanian tiger and why it wasn't able to be saved from extinction. So that's what we're basically asking the students to come up with, is why did this tiger go extinct? Now, let's pretend that this is the student's answer. Now, I'm not going to read this whole thing, but that's what the student wrote, okay? Now, what your job then to do is to kind of go through and see what the plagiarism detection software came up with, and then answer some questions at the end about it, okay? And this is what we have here, okay? So these are basically just screenshots that I took of the plagiarism detection software, sorry about that. And so you can see that the highlighted areas are things that are taken directly from the internet. And this is one thing I've seen in the past, that students oftentimes will just kind of put an introductory sentence and then copy a bunch of stuff in. And so we see that this sentence in these two sentences highlighted in pink were actually found in a different paper. That's interesting because I did just copy and paste it from a website, and then the stuff a little bit more in the orangey things were copied and pasted directly from Wikipedia. So you can see how this is for the first part, like intensive hunting encouraged by bounties, intensive hunting encouraged by bounties, and then all of that stuff highlighted in the red is essentially right here, and also all of this stuff here was found in a later paragraph in the same Wikipedia article. So what I want you to look through that and then answer these essay questions. I write more than a sentence, but for each question, if you just write a short paragraph, that should be good. Do you believe the student committed academic misconduct? Do you agree with the school's zero tolerance policy? What consequences would you recommend for the student? And then how could the student have avoided this? And then was this exercise helpful in understanding academic misconduct from the teacher's perspective? And what did you basically know and what did you learn? So that's what I'm looking for in this assignment, and please feel free to email me if you have any questions.